Alright, today is October 17th. He's 11 weeks and 4 days old. He's got a cute little snore going on.